Hi everyone, this video is going to be about our all-time favorite street food, momos. But wait, it's not just the ordinary one, it's the Tandoori Momos. Without wasting any time, let's dive straight into the recipe. First up, we'll sift about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl, ensuring that there are no lumps formed. Once it's done, we'll add salt as per taste and then knead it into a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest until we get done with the filling. So ideally for the filling, just the cabbage and onions would do, but you're always free to add n number of vegetables as per your liking, and that is what I did. I chopped about half a cabbage, an onion, and carrots, beans, capsicum and chilies in small quantities. Let's now get started on the filling. Heat up some butter in a pan and toss the chopped veggies and saute them for a minute or two. We'll now add in our chopped ginger and garlic, mix it up well and leave it on for another minute. Now add the chopped cabbage and give it a good mix. We'll cook it for about another 2 minutes. Now it's the time to add the sauces. I used soy sauce, garlic chili sauce and chili oil. Adjust the seasoning and garnish the filling with some chopped coriander and green onions. Our filling is done. We'll now move on with shaping the momos. Make small balls from the rested dough, roll them and shape them up to form momos, just like how I did in the video. Our momos are all shaped up and ready to be fried. We'll deep fry the momos in batches on medium-high flame until they turn out to be golden and crispy. The fried momos are ready. Now we'll prepare the tandoori marinade. For that we'll need 4 tablespoon besan, kasuri methi, chaat masala, garam masala, black salt, black pepper powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoon curd and lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Now add about 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and throw in some chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now add about 1.5 tablespoon of hot mustard oil and mix the ingredients well. Now our tandoori marinade is ready. We'll now coat the fried momos into this marinade and then they'll be ready to be smoked. Make some space to place the hot charcoal into the marination. Add a tablespoon of ghee and then let it sit covered for around a minute. It smells really good in here. Now that our tandoori momos are smoked, they are ready to be put in skewers for one last cook. We'll directly put the skewers on heat and cook the momos from all sides until they are a bit charred. Also make sure to brush off a little oil onto the momos while they are being grilled. These look delicious, don't they? Carefully take out the momos from the skewers and serve them with green chutney or mayonnaise. If you liked the video, please put a thumbs up and do leave a lovely comment behind. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new and stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.